Hey Mom, Pa. This ain't no one bagger. This is a home and run. You guys know about this trick, right? I gotta go show the kids that. Be right back. This is cool. I mean, if you did that at Halloween on the front porch, trick or treat, well, how about this? And you just put out your hands.
Do they turn on because of these?
Yeah, because everything's just randomly contacting the batteries.
Oh, wow.
You don't need to shake them. I told you to shake them. You don't need to. So that went over pretty well with the chillins. It really is pure magic. Nothing explains electricity. No, nothing doesn't explain electricity better than this. I dare you to try to explain what electricity is. It doesn't get any better than this. It's magic! Like a lot of things, it gets even better in the dark. So turn off all the lights and try it out. Just make sure the wee tots don't squeeze too hard, because the legs of these little guys bite and they potentially can pierce the skin. So 5-second party favor. All you need is LEDs and some coin cell batteries. Thanks for watching. Keep the smoke in your op amps. Ouch!